So let's continue. So now I'll make the eye socket and mouth socket. So how to do that? We'll see. So now I'm not able to uh, recognize which is front vertices and which is the back vertices. So there's some confusion is there. So what you can do in that case? So move the image plane towards front. You can see now back side vertices are hidden. Okay. If we keep like this, you can see back and front both are overlapping. So now this is just like you can see now total mesh is hidden. So keep in the middle of the head. Now you can see. So now you have to decide. So which is a mouth socket and which is that. So for that you can start one nose line. It's very important. So inside is look. This is here. mm, Nose line. So that the next we should keep the mouth socket and eye socket. So before doing mouth socket and eye socket, so this is the brow line and this is your mouth socket. And make one more insert as look here. Uh, so don't make same boundary of eye socket and mouth socket. So in between you give some space. That is very important. So that's why I made one more insert as look this side. So I created for nose line one more and for eye socket and mouth socket in between I created some space. So now you can delete it. So this is my mouth socket or eye socket. Maybe this is your eye socket, right? So before doing, I like to have one more inside as look also. Uh, so nose you can have one, two. These three lines will come the top of the nose, that is bone line, and on bottom line also need, right? So go for one more. I think this is fine, right? This is very close. We can move this one little further and you can delete this. Control delete. Control delete. Now you see one, two, three. Okay, fine. So now it will be easy to do. So you can delete the eye socket. So now this nose came out. What is this we have? Like that mouse socket. So using so you can delete. Fine. So something is like this. You can see. So now you can hide this images not required. Uh, so the image blocks. You can see. Now you trace it for soft selection. I can use and then we can make that. Maybe need more points here, right? Need more points. So inside what you should do, so you can select these 3 points. So you can see here, select these 3 points and you can move. Let's back section vertices are selected. Remove that and give the height of the nose. The next three vertices you can see like this. Next three vertices So firstly, what is this? That will make the nose line. Yes. So this is your nose line. So make it small, small tweaking. Maybe this is your nose bone line. You can see. So it goes like this. Bone line. I think mild. It's not exact center here in image plane. So what you can do? Move the image plane towards right and towards like this. So this is the exact center. You can see. Yeah, fine. So this is done. So we can have more incidence loop, maybe one, two. So to get the exact tracing on the nose. Now this one, you have to match to the brow. So soft selection, it's fine. This can move a little down. So it will match to this. The height of the nose, you can see slowly you are getting the height of the nose. And this looks fine. So this is the bottom line of the nose. So one, that's why I make two incidence loop for that. One is nose bone line, one nose bottom line. Right, that's fine. So, okay. So you can see it is matching exactly the broad line. This you can move a little further towards right. So got the eye socket correctly. It's always soft selection, it will not damage much. Okay, fine. So this is nice eye socket. You can see. Yeah. So like that mouth socket you have to work. Right. So this is your mouth socket. So usually soft selection. Small, small tweaking you have to work. That's it. Fine. So in sideways socket, so this you have to move. One, this also. While moving, make it nice, soft selection, give more area, so it will not damage much. So like this. Look at here. Now, uh, you got the good eye socket and mouse socket. So understood, okay. So now, all those things, so there is nice tools in sculpting. The third one is relax tool. So all the flows will be relaxed. Okay. So they see a lot of clumsy after inserting the edge loop. So I hate insert edge loop. That's why. Um, So what you should do? No issues. So you can relax. So all the flows will be moved and to make same equal distance. It will not damage your model. Just it will not deform. Just it adjust the flows. Very good tool. So just keep doing. You know, also need more inside as you look here. Sorry, don't try on this. So just you go for inside as you look. Give more one and two. Then you can three. If you don't have enough inside as you look, that might spoil the model. So very easy. Now within 15 minutes, we got the base model with circuit. Now you have to next step you have to do how to the eye part, and how to the mouth, and how to the nose. Okay.